Hi, my name is Nate Tan, and this is a quick demo of my Labview project for engineering programming. So on the bottom here is the function generator part of the project, where you could adjust the frequency and change the amplitude of it, offset phase, and then add noise to your signal as well. We could adjust different types of waveforms here, and up the top here is the oscilloscope portion of it, and this enables us to see the waveform that's being generated by the function generator, and then we have our values calculated here. And we have a couple different options to modify the signal a little bit, where we could adjust this time seconds per division, and then adjust the voltage per division, and then we could trigger the signal to stop it, adjust the line width so we can see it a lot better, and then write the waveform onto an Excel spreadsheet. So we could adjust it to where we could see it better. That's pretty much it.